Today, we're diving into the PHAT satellite Belden PPC RG11 coaxial cable, specifically designed for demanding commercial applications. This 500-foot spool boasts impressive specs. It's plenum rated with CMP certification, ensuring compliance with fire safety regulations for running cables in plenum spaces. The cable features a robust construction with a 14 AWG conductor and 75 ohm impedance, making it suitable for a variety of uses including HD over-the-air antennas, DirecTV dish network, and satellite installations. What sets this cable apart is its triple shield construction, providing 77% coverage to minimize signal interference. This is crucial for maintaining high-quality signal transmission across long distances, whether you're setting up HD digital cable TV or a cellular boost antenna system. The jacket is treated with fire retardant, smokeless, non-toxic PVC, ensuring safety without compromising performance. Installing this cable is straightforward, thanks to its flexibility and durable build. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, the PHAT satellite Belden PPC RG11 offers reliability and peace of mind. Its versatility extends to applications like ham radio and shortwave antennas, where signal integrity is paramount. Overall, if you're looking for a cable that meets stringent commercial building standards while delivering exceptional performance across various AV and broadband internet applications, the PHAT satellite Belden PPC RG11 coaxial cable is a solid choice. It combines durability, compliance, and performance, making it one of the best options in its class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.